Here I am on my Windows machine, and this is my Outlook. I am on outlook.cloud.microsoft. So let's start the creation of a new event by going on the proper button here, new, and then event. What I'm going to do now is creating a new meeting with my colleague Adele Vance. So let's type something here, sharing ideas about Project X. There you go. So then we will add Adele Vance. And first thing to notice with this feature is that if you are adding more people, more than one, the feature, if conflicts arise, let Copilot reschedule this event, will not be available. So let me show you immediately, just by adding a new user. And as you can see now, this one is disabled and there's no way to have it. So this is only available if you are doing a one-to-one meeting. So let me remove now Diego Siciliani. So this feature is back again. And I can have also a series if I want. Let's set the proper time. Let's say that we are going to start on Tuesday at, this is a nice slot. Okay, let's go back. This is the 21 April. We are going to have this meeting series, and I'm going to let Copilot reschedule this event in case other people are going to take the same slot on my calendar. So if you set this is a good approach for meeting series, because then you will be able to disable this for the single event on your calendar. If you don't turn on this, it's no longer possible to re-enable it for the entire series. So it's always good to have it, turn it on, and then you can go on the single instance of the meeting and disable it if you don't want to have it for that specific week. Let's say that. Okay, now the series is on. We can send this meeting to Adele. So let me switch on the calendar and let's see if in the next week I'm going to have this already booked on my calendar. There you go, sharing ideas about Project X. So let's jump now on the Adele Vance perspective. And here I am on Outlook as Adele Vance. This is the meeting invitation. I'm going to accept this meeting series with Giuliano, and this is now booked on the Adele Vance calendar too. So let me see this. There you go. Okay, let me set not now. And now, from the third perspective, with another user, what we are going to do is scheduling another meeting by taking the same slot here that we see on the calendar, 21:09 a.m. So let me switch on Diego Siciliani now, and let's say that we have an issue, an urgent case that has to be solved. So with Diego Siciliani, I'm going to create now this meeting, urgent issue with Copilot. Now let me target Giuliano. There you go. And we are going to pick now the same day. And it was 9 p.m. I can see that this person is not available, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to take this slot, which is the same took by Giuliano. It's going to be a Teams meeting with Giuliano. And there you go. Now I can start to send this meeting invitation on the same slot. And let's see what Copilot is going to handle this use case. All right, just received now the meeting invitation from Diego Siciliani on the Giuliano's Outlook. And I'm going to accept now this slot, even if this is a conflict on my calendar. Okay, let's accept this. And let's see now how Copilot is going to handle the previous meeting created with Adele events. Now, if everything works fine, I should see a new notification coming here, which will tell me that Copilot has rescheduled and rearranged the meeting, the previous meeting that I had to do with Adele. And here we go. What I have now is a new notification in Outlook, and I can see that Copilot has rescheduled my meeting with Adele Vance on 9 a.m. And now I can see this single meeting of the series that has been rescheduled at 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. So Adele Vance will get the same notification. So this is now fine. And if I jump on my calendar, jumping on the same day, 21, I can see that now the meetings are no longer overlapped, but I have this one moved on 8:30 a.m. and this other one is planned with Diego Siciliani. So this is the new feature that is coming, targeting Outlook, and Copilot will help also handling these kind of use cases. So this, from a user that is in the recipient perspective, in this case Adele Vance, is going to receive another meeting invitation fixing the first date and time with the new one automatically rescheduled by Copilot. So, and here again, as Adele, I can accept or decline the meeting. It's a totally new invitation to the meeting. Now, things to keep in mind with this new capability is that Copilot will rearrange your event only if you accept a new meeting that is overlapped with your. And of course, Copilot will automatically readjust your meeting in case you create a new one targeting the same time slot on your calendar. Moreover, Copilot will rearrange and reschedule the meeting if your status in the event is busy or out of office. In case you have tentative for a specific meeting, Copilot will not rearrange and reorganize the meeting for you. Regarding known limitations, this feature does not yet support delegates creating or updating meetings on shared calendars. Here I am in Outlook. This is the new Outlook. You are going to have same experience between Outlook for web and Outlook for Windows or Mac. So once you play to start with this feature, you are going to experience a pop-up showing up here, which tell you if you want to use and set up Copilot prioritize function. In this case, I have seen this in the very beginning when this function was available in my tenant, but I don't see anymore because I clicked on it. But to reopen this specific setting, click on the wheel icon in the upper right corner, and then in the left pane you can target Copilot. Here you are going to see a new item under preferences called prioritize. Now here is where you can turn on this function. You have a checkbox here which asks you if you want to show AI generated summaries in the message list for prioritized email. So you have the ability to have this blue highlight with a short description to emphasize and summarize very briefly your email. You can have this by turning on this checkbox. You have also the ability to apply low priority label to new emails that you are going to get if you want to see this icon appearing next to the email. Let's have this as well. And now you can define the instructions how Copilot should act and how Copilot should prioritize your email. So you have a bunch of options here. In my case, what I'm going to emphasize it's about project X. So I am fully involved in this project and I want to have high priority email once something mentioned this project X in the email or in the subject. So I want to have this. Moreover, you can add additional factors. So let's say that you work on a specific product or service, or on a specific function in your organization. So let me say, for example, it's about Copilot. Since I'm involved on it in the rollout in the organization, I want to have this priority, this email marked as priority. Okay, I can now save, but I can also provide factors for low priority instructions. So for example, let's say that I get other topics around Outlook. So it's about Outlook. So I collaborate with another team, but this team is responsible for Outlook. I, as architect, it makes sense that I'm involved in this topic, but I don't need to act as the main character here on this topic. So I want to have this marked as a low priority. Okay, let's save these instructions. And now, whenever I'm going to receive an email, according to my factors and instructions that I provided, Copilot should mark now and label, apply a priority to my new email. So I have here another browser instance open and I'm acting now as Adele Vance. I have already prepared an email here. I'm going to send this email to Giuliano asking information about the project X. So this is mentioned in the body of the email and in the subject. So let me send now this email, and let me send a second email to Giuliano, of course, because it's there that we set up and configured this behavior to prioritize the email. I want to get now information about, let me just write about Outlook. I need to configure a delegate. I need to delegate my manager to handle my mailbox. Let's say something like that. Okay, let me be polite, of course. Let me just say hi at least. Okay, let's send this second email, and now I'm going to jump back to the Giuliano view to see if these new emails are marked properly. Here I am back on Outlook as Giuliano, and I can see that Copilot marked as high priority this first one because Project X is mentioned in the email, and I can see a very short summary here. And then I have this marked as low priority because Outlook is mentioned in the email. So this is how it works, this new functionality, and you can now experience this new scenario. I think it's more easy now to follow up immediately on a high priority email instead of the old scenario. Here I am on my Outlook for web. You have the same capability in, of course, in the desktop version of Outlook. So let's immediately jump on settings in the upper right corner, and in Copilot you can find calendar instructions. This is the place where you can start creating new instructions for your Copilot calendar. So let me create a new one. This is going to open the Copilot panel next to your email that you have open. Now here, what we have to do to give the proper instruction that will allow me to save time by accepting an upfront meeting invitation for specific topics. So I'm going to copy this sentence that I prepared before, and this is automatically accept meetings from Adele events between 9 and 16 if my calendar is free. Otherwise, please suggest an alternative time. So this is the instruction that is going to give priority to any mail coming from Adele Events, because this is my manager and we are working together on a high priority project. So let me send this now, these instructions, and let me see now what is the outcome from my question. So what Copilot can, the calendar instructions are, so you have a summary about this capability: automatically accept, decline, follow, or remove cancelled meetings. So this is what Copilot can do. In my sentence, I attached intentionally an instruction by proposing a new time if my calendar is not free. And this is actually not covered, or this is a limitation with this current capability. In fact, what we see here, that Copilot is not able right now with instructions to modify meetings or reschedule meetings or apply to one-time actions and so on. And then you have additional suggestion about what Copilot can do, and if you are not able to follow presence to a meeting, you can follow the meeting, and that's it. So I'm going now to adjust my sentence. I'm going to remove this, which cannot be covered by Copilot. And now I'm going to send again my instruction. Okay, now Copilot seems working on it. Got it, thanks. I'll complete the instruction without the unsupported otherwise part, because Copilot calendar instruction is not able to cover it. So this is the instruction, just save it. Automatically accept meetings from Adele Events between 9 and 16. So this is now done. Yes, I have to confirm. And now this will be created in the calendar instructions panel that we can reopen by going on settings. Now Copilot is adding officially after my confirmation this. All set, Giuliano, I have successfully created the calendar instructions as requested. There you go. So we can have a look on this one if it's really there. Let's go on Copilot, again, calendar instructions, and there we go. We have now these instructions saved. You can at any time delete this if you don't want to have it anymore. You can have multiple instructions here, and what you have on top will take priority on the others. Okay, now let's jump on Adele Events and let's try to send an email. Here I am now with Adele Events connected to Outlook. Let's start the creation of a new event. It's going to be a Teams meeting, and let me type here project X update. So I'm going to drop here in the body something as description that Adele needs to get a status update about this project X. I'm going to invite, of course, Giuliano. Okay, so now let me target a day, just tomorrow at 10 a.m. Let's go with this slot. Let me send this email, and now let's see what Copilot is going to do with this event. Here I received the meeting invitation coming from Adele Events, and it has already accepted by Copilot. So this is my meeting invitation. So it's already accepted by Copilot. Let me close it. You can also see this by clicking on the arrow. So you can see the first email coming, and then the second one accepted by Copilot on behalf of Giuliano de Luca. Of course, Adele has already got the confirmation and accepted by Copilot on behalf of Giuliano. So this is the new experience, which potentially can save time, but of course you need to keep an eye on your settings and keep updated the calendar instructions, because things change in the short time, speaking about priority in your daily routine.